Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking about Twitchit craft kits. This is a new kit company in Australia and I have two prizes that I'm going to be giving away for the challenge winners in the Papercraft Secrets Creating with Confidence group. There are two winners every month and we choose those winners randomly, and these are going to be the two prizes for the winners this month. So let's take a look at the first kit here. Now this is a Twitchit craft kit. It's an Australian company and the papers are Echo Park Plant Lady papers. So we all know that there's a lot of that having a lot of plants at the moment is very on trend, and so these papers are all about those people that love to have plants. So it's got some funny little sayings. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy plants. Always choose kindness. Life is short, buy the plants. I don't need therapy, I talk to my plants. And on the back is a lovely painted mixed media sort of page, and the colours are, you've got sort of like a purple, blue, a yellow and an orange. So they're quite unique colours, and they've paired those with green as well. So here we have some more sayings. Bloom where you're planted. Plant lady is the new cat lady. I keep my plants to myself. Buy me plants and tell me I'm pretty. Be kind. Green thumb. Summer is coming. I'm so excited. I wet my plants. On the back, a lovely gingham page, sort of a black and white gingham. And then this page we've got some lovely small little sentiments, and then a beautiful blue and white striped page, and then we've got these little chalkboard signs that could be cut out, and we've got sort of a mauvey purpley blue, some green leaves on an orange background, some green paper here, some hanging plants, a lovely bright orange page, some windows with cats and plants hanging there, a lovely gingham orange and white page. Then we've got some succulent plants, a white with black crosses, a lovely plain sort of lilac purple, and a lovely dark green plain page. So this is the papers in the Plant Lady collection by Echo Park. In the kit you also get a Carta 6x6 stencil, and the mystery item that I received in this kit, it's some green leaves, and I think these little trinkets might be little plants as well. Let's just open that up and have a look. There's our leaves and the lovely bright green colours. So this is part of the prize for this month, and there's a little cactus, two little cactus charms there. So that's a nice little gift. So lots and lots of lovely things you can make with this collection of papers, this kit from Twitchit Craft Kits. Let's take a look at the second prize for this month. So we have two challenges for this month. Our first challenge is a love inspired mood board, and our second challenge is to use mixed media on your creation. Here's our second kit that will be a prize for this month. Let's take a look at it. Now this is a home collection. It's called Home Again by Carta. Carta papers are lovely and thick. And you can see we've got some nice sentiments here. My happy place, home sweet home, the best journey takes you home. Home is my favorite place to be. Home made with love. Home, love builds a happy home. So it's a home themed. I've got a cream and black gingham page there, and this page has got some frames and some chalkboards in, it looks like 6x4s sizes here. This is us, our life, our story, our home. In this house we keep it real, we love, we make mistakes, we say I'm sorry, etc, etc. Welcome to our home, no place like home. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. On the back, a cream page with black bows. On this side page here, we've got some lovely striped elements along here. Some quotes, some old vintage cars. It does have a little bit of a vintage feel to it, this collection. There's a lovely green and white gingham page, and then you've got all your herbs here on tags, and that's a nice aqua and white page. This page has got wreaths in it with sentiments inside the wreaths, and that's a very dark page with polka dots. This is a beautiful page. These colours are really original colours. And as I said, the paper quality is very thick. There's a little van of flowers there, and there's our vintage flower van, a wooden page, a light green and a dark black page. So a really beautiful collection there, something a little bit different. This is Home Again by Carta. Look at those beautiful colours in the papers there. You also get a little bit of burlap in your kit, and you get a stencil by Carta. You've got these leaves on a branch die cuts that are already die cut for you. So there you go, that's what you like to see. You don't have to cut anything out yourself. You can just use these straight into your layout or your cards, and they're in a variety of greens, different shades of green. They'll be perfect for embellishing your layouts, even your cards that you're going to make with this beautiful new collection. There we go. So that's our 2 kits for the month of February. So I'll be drawing 2 random winners from our Facebook group who have entered our challenges, and 2 lucky people will be taking or post these kits out to you. Oh look, we've got a mystery item here. I like these mystery items that you get in the Twitchit craft kits. I'm just going to open that super carefully. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got some words. Perfect. Some titles for our layouts. And some numbers, so that would be good for if you need to add some numbers onto your layouts for dates or birthdays. And let's look at our words. We've got welcome, table, gather, farm, family, garden. I love the colours that they're in. So that's a mystery item that is in the kit as well. Now, if you're interested in signing up for the Papercraft Secrets Facebook group, you just need to follow the link in the description box below this video and sign up, request to be admitted into the group. Just answer a couple of little questions like what you like to craft, etc. And then you're into the group and you can participate in the challenges and the discussion that we have in the group, and make friends with all the beautiful people in the group. So there's our 2 prizes for the month of February. Can't wait to see who are the winners this month. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.